Konnichiwa everyone. This video is about Tsukishima Nishinaka shopping street, as known as Monja Street. Tsukishima is located in central Tokyo. The closest station to Monja Street is Tsukishima Station on the Yurakucho line and Oedo line. Tsukishima is actually an artificial island on Tokyo Bay along Sumida River. Monja Street is very easy to find. After you get out of exit number 7 of Tsukishima Station, it is right in front of you. You can also take the bus from Tokyo Station and it takes about 20 minutes. Tsukishima is well known for Monjayaki, which is originated in this area. Monjayaki is a pan-fried butter dish, and each table has an iron pan and cooked right in front of you. There are many Monja restaurants, and it's said that there are over 70 Monja restaurants. Monja used to be simpler and popular among children back in 1960s and earlier, but nowadays it's popular among office workers and tourists, and it became popular Tokyo local food. In most restaurants, they cook for you if you ask. There is also instruction at each table and tells you how to cook yourself. Monja has a variety of menus such as seafood, meat, mochi, kimchi, cheese, and so on. Here's how to cook monja. This time I ordered mochi with cheese. First, you only put all the ingredients onto the pan and leave the soup. After you stir it, you make circle and close with the bank. Then put the soup in the middle like this. Then you mix all up and stir for a little while. And that's it, ready to eat. Monja is a light meal and considered snack, so I recommend to have Okonomiyaki as well. Okonomiyaki is a pancake containing similar ingredients with Monja. This time I tried to cook myself. After mixing it, put everything on the pan, stir it, and then make the shape like pancake. Leave it for about 7 minutes, then flip it, which is the most difficult part, and leave it for about 4 or 5 minutes. After that, you put sauce on it. You can put small pieces of bonito and blue seaweed as well. Ready to eat. Not just Monjayaki and Okonomiyaki, they have other menus as well, such as mushroom, stir-fried veggie and meat and such. After you get full, you can go for a walk. There's Sumida River nearby and there's a very nice walking path with a nice riverside view. Not just Monja and Okonomiyaki, there are some other type of food as well. Curry, burger, melon bread and such. If you're there at night time, more variety of places you can enjoy. There's a stand-up sake place called Tsunematsu Kyuzo, where you can try many different kinds of local sake. There are sake meisters and they can recommend you what type of sake to enjoy. They have some nice izakaya food you can enjoy with sake. There's also a nice whiskey bar called Barley. It has many selection of whiskey and cocktail, including Japanese whiskey. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also watch 360 VR video of Monja Street by clicking the related video on the left. If you are interested in watching more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Japan Travel Sensei. See you next time.